2 things I did consistently that helped my hair grow. It behooves me to mention factors that influence hair growth before I mention the 2 things that I did consistently that resulted in my hair growth. All right, let's get right into it. Factor number 1, genetics. This sets your natural growth rate, hair cycle, and thickness. Factor number 2, nutrition, what you eat. Now, hair is mostly made of protein. You guessed it right. Eating more proteins definitely helps your hair growth, or helps the health of the hair in general. Your nutritional diet plays a big role in how your hair grows and how healthy your hair is. And just to mention a few of what you would need to have in your nutrition that would promote hair growth: protein, number 1, iron, omega-3 fatty acid, zinc, biotin, and vitamin D. And don't forget water. Factor number 3, lifestyle and habits, low stress levels, adequate sleep, exercise, and gentle hair care. Factor number 4, scalp health. How are you taking care of the scalp? Gentle massages to the scalp help increase blood circulation, which promotes hair growth. Now that we got that out of the way, now I can tell you guys what I actually did. The 2 things that I incorporated that helped my hair grow. The first is my vitamin D. Yes, vitamin D. Vitamin D will make your life better and help your hair grow longer. I take my vitamin D supplements every day religiously. I take it every day. You know, I started out taking vitamin D because it just helped for health. But then I noticed that my hair also started growing quite fast, or I experienced a faster growth rate with my hair. So yeah, that was one thing I incorporated, vitamin D, and I researched it to find out, okay, what was the correlation between my hair growth and vitamin D? And guys, this is what I found. Vitamin D receptors regulates the hair cycle. So they're part of the cycle, you know, when your hair goes through the cycle of, there's the resting phase, shedding phase, and then the growth phase. So vitamin D receptors are integral to the hair cycle process, especially when it goes from resting to growth. And also, I found out that vitamin D also supports follicle creation. The hair follicle is the opening on your skin where the hair grows out from. So if it supports the creation, that means it's also part of your hair density. It influences your hair density, considering hair density is the thickness of hair on your, head. We're talking about the head now, so the hair out of it that grows from your head. So hair density is the thickness of hair. So it's the amount of follicles that you would have on your head that would allow hair to grow out of. So yeah, so it supports the creation of hair follicles. So that's very important when it comes to hair health. Vitamin D also helps in immune regulation, which, you know, if you have a healthy immune system, your body overall works better. Right? So it also does that, so which also inadvertently promotes a good hair system in your body. Vitamin D does all that. And also from my research as well, low vitamin D receptors or low vitamin D levels then results in the opposite. You encounter challenges with your hair growth, or other hair challenges. It is that powerful, people. It is. So vitamin D is very important for you to take your vitamin D's. Aside from it, the benefit you get from your hair, it also helps with your health overall, general health, especially for Black people. It's hard for us to absorb vitamin D from the sunlight due to the melanin in our skin. So vitamin D supplementation is very important. I don't play with vitamin D, people. I do not play. I take that thing every day, and yeah, it's helped my hair grow. So that's the plus. So that is one thing I incorporated that I found that contributed to my hair growth. So vitamin D, you should have that. You should take it every day. You need it, people. You need it. Want to also mention, if you're not comfortable taking it every day, please follow your doctor's prescription, follow your doctor's advice on vitamin D, but definitely inquire about taking vitamin D supplements or incorporating as part of your day-to-day, and follow your doctor's advice. This is just my own, what I do, incorporate into what I do in my own day-to-day, but please definitely follow your doctor's advice in terms of the supplementation, but definitely add that vitamin D as part of your supplements. The second thing I incorporated into my routine that I found that helped support my hair growth was collagen. Yeah, collagen. Collagen is protein. And also, I did mention earlier on, one of the factors that help promote hair growth is protein. Taking in protein as part of your nutritional intake, daily nutritional intake. Doesn't have to be daily, but it does definitely have to be something that is majorly part of your nutrition when you eat. So yes, so I started incorporating collagen into my daily routine as well. And the way I even started it, I started collagen as a result of, I wanted to increase my protein intake on a daily basis. And also I've heard, or I researched, that it helped curb appetite because I was trying to lose weight. So I started taking collagen. But then it did all those things for me, by the way. It kept me fuller. I noticed it kept me fuller throughout the day, and which basically led to weight loss, because I wasn't eating as much, or I didn't feel hungry as much. I wasn't necessarily eating. But then it also added to my protein intake, and as we know, protein, as it breaks down in the body, it burns calories. So I started taking collagen as a result of wanting to lose weight and the other additional benefits of increasing my protein intake for the day. And I noticed too that it helped with my hair. The timing of it was very interesting, because it was as I started taking the collagen and I was consistent with it, I noticed that my hair also started having a good growth rate, or growing at a good pace. So definitely collagen was something that definitely contributed to my hair growth. And as I did my research on it, I found that hair is basically keratin. Keratin is basically protein. So, and as you feed it more protein, it kind of strengthens the bonds, the keratin bonds. I hope I'm pronouncing it properly, but it strengthens the bonds. And since hair is primarily protein, it reinforces the health overall and helps in its cycle, helps give it the right ammunition, or the right resources, or the right tools to continue to foster hair growth, hair health in general. And also through my research, I found out that if the body lacks nutrients, it prioritizes vital organs over your hair. So it would direct whatever nutrients it has towards maintaining your vital organs over your hair. So not having those nutrients, or enough nutrients in your body, would then jeopardize the health of your hair, because your body will automatically take what it has and puts it and forwards it to the more important parts of your body. So it's very important that we have these nutrients. And also another thing to also incorporate that would help your hair health overall is omega-3. Having these fatty acids. Omega-3 promotes scalp health, and also reduces inflammation in the body too, and which also contributes to the health of your hair overall. So yeah, so having these things, these two things in particular, the ones I mentioned, vitamin D, taking my vitamin D religiously, and also collagen as well, helped my hair grow. I'm telling you guys, this is a thing. So yeah, vitamin D and collagen, people. It did its thing on my hair growth. Okay, so let me know, what are you guys incorporating? What do you guys notice is doing it for you when it comes to your hair growth? Put your comments down below. Let me know if you guys have noticed this as well. If you are taking vitamin D supplements, or if you're also supplementing with collagen, let me know if you experience this, or if you experience something different, right? Everyone is different. Everyone's bodies are different. But based on my research, vitamin D and collagen definitely support hair health. So you're not going to lose out from that, no, but still follow what works for your body and your hair. But yeah, guys, comment down below. Let me know what your experience has been with regards to your hair growth journey, what you have done that has helped you. And what do you guys think about this? Vitamin D and collagen, incorporating it into your daily routine and, you know, trying it out and seeing what it does for your hair. Put your thoughts down below and I will see you guys in the next video.